Arthur here for Complete Probe Solutions. I'm here to talk about singulated die alignment and why this new Apex feature is important to the Silicon Photonics Test industry. Photonics chips are increasingly used in device manufacturing, and it seems that 200mm wafer size is preferred when it comes to overall cost. CPS singulated die alignment is available on our 200mm wafer prober and allows you the flexibility to test die post-saw. The Apex platform allows for efficiently testing die after singulation, ensuring chip producers ship known good die. Testing these die post-saw becomes challenging because the die can be significantly misaligned. Whether on film frame, reconstituted wafer, or die carrier, Apex singulated die alignment puts probes on pads accurately. Here is a video of singulated die alignment in action. The operator picks a target on the die